I do anything bad to have you? Hey gorgeous fam, welcome back again to my channel. It is your baby girl here, Promise Breezy, and you are highly welcome to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by on this channel, please hit the red button that says subscribe and be part of this family. Okay, so guys, welcome back again to another vlog. So I've been arranging house since morning. I've been arranging things since morning, clothes and all those kind of things. These days, like, I have so many clothes that are not sizing me anymore, and each time I go to my wardrobe, if you see my wardrobe, it looks as if I have so many clothes or I have so many clothes. But if I get there, I will not see what I will wear because most of them are not sizing me anymore. They are not my size anymore. No, I've added weight and all those kind of things. So today I just decided to like pack those things out of my wardrobe. Let me know what I have, let me know what I don't have. You know, and I'm arranging most of them, so I'm going to be sending them to Africa. I'll just let them go, so I don't have to leave them there to be taking a lot of space, looking as if I have a lot of clothes. So I'm hungry now. That is why I just came to take this because I haven't eaten since morning. I just woke up and start doing this. Like, seriously, I said no, today is today, because I've been saying I want to do it, at the end I don't do it. So I said today I have to do this, like I must do this. We're always vandalizing everything there, but anyway, there is no problem. You should just continue till I finish eating this. Just everywhere is messed up now, but I'm going to be showing you guys, no problem. You see, this is what I've been up to since morning. Like, here is so messed up right now. I'm so embarrassed showing this, but seriously, guys, you see the other room, like I've never showed that place in my video before. That's because it's so messed up, like so messed up. You see, that's where I keep my ring lights. That's my former ring lights. Those two lights you are seeing, those small ones, this is my recent ring lights that I'm using, that someone gifted me. So you see where Owen's stroller is, Owen's things that he used when he was a baby, Owen's stroller, everything. Like, that is in that room. We keep most things we don't use, like everything we don't use for now. That is where we keep it. But I'm kind of trying to arrange the room because the room is so scattered. Owen, stop that. What are you doing? So guys, you see, that's what I've been up to since morning. That's what I've been doing since morning. Like, I'm very hungry now because I've not eaten since it's almost 1 p.m. since I woke up. That's when I've been doing that. Since I woke up, I've been doing that. Like, I don't just want to do anything first because I don't want something that will stop me again. I'll say like, okay, tomorrow I'll do it. No, let me just arrange everything out. Let me know is to package them and send them to Africa, to Nigeria. So that's it, guys. I'll see you guys later, okay?
Sometimes it can get rough when you've had enough. I'll be your Don Corleone. When you're feeling down, feeling low, you'll never be alone. Not when you're right with me. Oh, I won't see no you and me. Every time the things get bad, promise I won't turn my back. Even if it takes some time, never want.
Hey beautiful people, welcome back again. Yeah, yesterday I was tired to continue the vlog. Welcome back again to weekend vlog. Today is Saturday and I have a lot to do. I have yet going before 1 p.m. so I just quickly want to like mop the ground now. I want to clean everywhere. Today is my cleaning day on Saturday, so after cleaning I'll just go ahead to that place quickly. I want to go and check for something there, so I just want to use that one to like walk around a little bit because I don't really have much to do, and these days I don't go out like that. So I just want to use that one to walk around today. So guys, right now I want to go and quickly mop the house so that I'll just go to where I'm going. Okay, I'll take you guys along my today activity. Just keep watching the vlog, okay?
A few moments later.
So guys, I'm laughing because I was just talking to my camera thinking I was recording. I didn't even know I didn't press the recording. Anyway, I was trying to say that I was telling you guys that I'm going out right now. I just finished mopping the house. Yeah, I told you guys before, today is my cleaning day. I just finished cleaning the house and I'm about to go out right now. I'm going to like a shop. I don't want them to close. It's 12 p.m. now. They normally close 1 p.m. so because today is Saturday, so they normally close early. So I want to go right now so that I'll be able to meet them. There's a shop where they sell video, camera accessory and all those kind of things. So I'm going there right now because I want to go and check for something there, guys. So I'll see you guys later, and maybe I'll be shaving my hair today and I'll buy the dye to like dye it, or yeah. So I'll see you guys later, okay? Yeah, let's go.
There's a place in my heart where you
249.
wrapped up in boxes.
This is the weather.
But I didn't.
More professional. It's better.
It didn't work. You're dragging me down, pulling me under. We're in a storm. I'm the lightning. You're the thunder. I can't make it.
Can you help me open
Can't get you out.
I want to like put it right now.
Hey?
Tonight. And I care more for you than you do for me. That's just how it's always gonna be. You don't realize, you don't even notice. You're taking advantage of my heart, and I might be fine, but not for me. For you, I'm always there whenever you need me. So when I'm crying in my room, why aren't you there? You didn't, no, you didn't think about anyone but you. I care.
Oh wait, no, this is not for play. This is not the one you did last time. Please, pro favor. I'm begging you in God's name, okay? Wait. I haven't even opened it. I just stayed in the guys, I have to come inside room. Owen did not allow me to talk to you guys in the sitting room. He's crying for the new mic I bought as well. I can't give it to him because he was the one that spoiled the other one, although he's not the one that make the sound not to be okay, but he broke it. But I can't just give chance in this one. This one is new mic, so new mic, I have to be very careful. I can't give it to him to break it again. You know, I was not at home since. Let me just go and talk to him. I'll see you guys later. Anyway, I didn't barb my hair again. I'll see you guys later, okay? It's okay. What do you want? You're hungry? Are you hungry? You want noodles? Oh yeah, let's make noodles, okay?
You're the one I want to hold before my liver start to fail. You're the one I need, oh, before cause I will start to hate. If I ever leave, oh, look what I got in me to go far away. Say I am looking.
So guys, welcome back again. I gave him food. I prepared noodles for him. I fed him. I bathed him. So right now he's inside the room with his dad because I think his dad wants to take a nap as well. So both of them inside the room. Here is the Rhoda mic. Yeah, I already opened it, but I haven't tested it on my camera. Yeah. So here's the mic, Rhoda. and the one I got before was a boya mic. Yeah, that one was like, I really waste my money. Thank God the money is not much that I used to get it. So this is what is inside. Here is it came with this is the cable, this is the mic itself. Yeah, this is the mic itself, and this is the, to prevent like breeze. Yeah, I think to prevent breeze. Here is the stand. Oh, so guys, let's do the testing right now. Here is me without the mic. Yeah, without the mic right now. So here is me with the mic right now. So guys, I want to know, yeah, the difference. You know, I have not checked it until I get to play the video. That is when I will know the difference. Right now I will not really know the difference because I'm the one talking, I'm the one recording.
Many hours later. Sometimes it can get rough when you've had enough. I'll be your Don Corleone. When you're feeling down, feeling low, you'll never be alone. Not when you're right with me.
So guys, I have fixed my nails. Yeah, I fixed the nails and I file it, but I haven't paint it because I want to make dinner for us, because I don't have nail dryer. So if I paint it, it's going to take a whole lot of time to get dry. So I just want to prepare food first, then we eat first before I will paint the nails to the color I like. So guys, how is the nail looking? Yeah, I tried to fix it myself today because I'll be using it to go to church tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday, so I just decided to fix it myself because I don't want to go and spend money. 30 euro is it's a whole lot of money. 35 euro to fix nails, yeah, is a whole lot of money. So I decided to like do it myself. So guys, right now I want to make dinner and I'll see you guys. You guys should just take a good look at Owen's body today that I decided to fix nails. Look at what he did. This is cutters that I used to cutters my nails. Owen, wait here. That is cutters that I used to cutters my nails, guys. You see, he bust it and he bust the bottle of the cutters and he poured it all over his body. He stained my nails. Like, I'm so pissed off right now. Today that I decided to fix nails. Do anything bad to have you? What is it? Eh, Owen? Must you disturb me anytime I'm doing something? Eh? You must disturb. Just no, just take a good look at your body. How are you going to wash that one off? How am I going to wash it off? This is cutters, for goodness sake. After all the shouting for him and quarreling, after all the annoying, I'm still the one who wants to beat him. You see his body? You're laughing. This boy, you see this boy's body, guys. After everything, I'm still the one that wants to beat him. This is what you're about we mothers. After they did something bad, you shout and shout and shout for them. Last, carry headache, you are still the one that will clean it up. You are still the one that will clean the mess that they messed. So no need to shout at first. Just do what you need to do. I just hope this paint leave his body. So you see, it's still in his body. You can see it, right? You're laughing. You see it's still in his body. So all the cutters could not left. I don't want to injure him with a sponge because I use sponge to scrub it. I don't know what else to use to remove it. I can't even shout anymore. Like, let him do whatever he wants. I'm so tired right now. I want to go and take my bath so that I'll just go to bed so that I can rest. Oh, leave there because of one pikin now. I'm not going to rest again. I'm going to be taking it. I'm going to be taking the cutters out. Yeah, because I need to. I think it's so. You see this particular one and some other ones here. They are so rough. Not even just one. They are so rough. No. I can't work with this cutters. I need to take it off. I'm sorry for the background. seriously, it's too rough. I need to take out the cutters and redo it again. Probably maybe when he's sleeping, I need to pet him to sleep, then do it, and I'll know that nothing will disturb me again. I need to pet him to sleep first. Tell me how you deal with this your toddlers. Like when you give birth to a child, it's very sweet, but when they are toddler at this age, like 1 to 2 years, guys, it's so frustrating. I'm going to be ending the vlog here. Thank you all so much for watching this vlog. I really appreciate your support towards this channel. Please continue supporting me by sharing my video to your social media, your Facebook, your Instagram, your WhatsApp, anywhere you can share my video. Please share my video. Jesus Christ. Please share my video and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, see you all in my next video. For now, bye.